sitting here having my morning coffee this morning, and sort of, I like to sit right here snug in my rose hedge. I've got some honesty turning to seed here. This is my seat, my little table, and it's boiling hot today. So this is the first day I've come out, and it feels like, I've just landed in Spain and it's the Mediterranean at last. The heat, I could feel it. When I opened the back door, I could literally feel it coming into the hallway and up the stairs, which was, really nice. And the wind has dropped. So I'm finally happy that the wind has dropped. And I've come out this morning and the flowers are already busy. And let me just shut this door so you don't have to listen to the dryer. Poppies are now out. Look at these. Really happy with these. It's the first time they've flowered. They've got these sweet peas shooting through them. Let me just step back so you can sort of see that. The sweet peas there, and then the pilgrims, David Austin rose just above, and the columbine going over. And I wanted to show you this ranunculus here because it's really quite like the peony. It's a ranunculus. These are what you more think of as ranunculus, but this one is also a ranunculus, blown open, and it looks just like the peonies. So, and I love this little foxglove here as well. Look at that, it's so cute. And as I say, lots of things happening this morning. I've come out and is it saponaria? It's got a little flower on, so I can imagine when all those little buds have blown open, and that is actually going to look really nice, and it is exactly going to do what I wanted it to do, which was to replicate the airy feel of the forget-me-nots and then replace them as they go over. So I think that will work. I think that is going to work. I've got the other side here. These ones are slightly taller, so that's what I was thinking. They're maybe a bit too tall, not sure. Here's another one, look, just come open actually since I walked around this morning before I had my coffee. They all look too. Look at them. So I'm really pleased with those. I'll do a video on how I did those. They weren't that difficult, but I did have a lot of failure. So not many actually took off like these. And then I just want to show you also the poppies. These are the bread poppies, Poppy Manzad, and I specifically wanted them as with the sweet peas as a backdrop, and I really do think that works. I think that is a really nice combination. And I also have this one, Purple Passion. I showed you it in my last video. It's obviously fallen in one day, but you can see these sweet peas here everywhere. So I'm really happy with those. And then I've got a peony black poppy as well, poppy. So here's another Manzad and another one here. So I've got a lot of poppies, really happy with those, really happy. And then I planted out yesterday a lot of craspedia here. So, the kind of, again, I'm thinking of that height replacing the alliums when the alliums are no longer that attractive. These craspedia, and I planted them in clumps. There's 4, 5 there. There's some here. Here, again, I took ages to plant them out. So they could be, there's another clump there, look, I did. I don't know if you can see. I have to obviously put my bamboo sticks around to stop the cat having them. You can see my Amy, even since yesterday, has got a flower head growing. These will get much taller, well, hopefully. What else? Let's have a look. Some more craspedia to plant out today. And I did some pots of craspedia up here, again to replace the effect of the pink pokies and alliums when they go over. So here's the alliums, and then I put some craspedia in here and then in some pots around, so as they'll come up as a clump. In here's one, and in here to replace these tulips there. And then I'm going to have my coffee here. This is the saponaria. It's got a rose, this hedge here, this border. This I said I've got to move next year. When it's dormant, I'll move that. Shasta daisies, forget-me-nots, nigella, saponaria, rose, ranunculus in that border. Just ranunculus in this border. A couple of self-seeded cosmos and nasturtiums. And then I have this kind of nursery area where I've got some dahlias and straw flowers and things like that need planting out. And I've even got my delphiniums. But what I'm thinking is get these moved and planted out today, and then I'm going to extend this border so that I don't have this gap here. And I'm going to extend it so it just blends straight into that one there. And as I sit here contemplating it in my black jeans, I realise that I'm absolutely burning up. I might not be able to have my coffee here after all. I'll have to find a shady spot over there and or go inside. It is so hot. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. That's what I have been doing. Also, just a quick update. I've been separating out these, snapdragons and other plants. I've got some sunflowers here I've got to plant out because, I've just... one of these days I'm going to tell you why I've been too busy to do the regular jobs. And I'm lucky if I get a few hours in this garden a week. It's so frustrating because I love gardening and it's really good for my health and my mental health and everything else, but I don't always get out here, and one day I'll tell you why, but it won't be forever and it won't be long, hopefully, and then I'll be out more and doing more here and more videos, more projects, and it's going to be fun. But look at those lovely poppies there. And the little verbascum there. I actually do like the flowers from the blackberry, but I'm going to move the blackberry. It doesn't work there. It just looks scruffy. But look at those sweet peas there. Let's go and have a look at the other sweet peas quickly before I wrap up. Oh yes, look at these. They're all coming out now. They're all coming out. Look, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Lovely colours. Beautiful backdrop with the roses, like so. Look at that. And then you've got the ranunculus. And they smell. They smell like, I don't know, like a really beautiful perfume come toffee. Really happy. Of course the power tools come out. They always do. I'm going to pot up these Canterbury bells as well. Just going to try and save a lot of these. Snapdragons here need desperately doing. Some of these are not so desperate as others. I've got some hollyhocks to go out. Just going to try and clear this table off. Reorganise everything and grow them on, what needs growing on, and then possibly not today, but I would really like this clear, so that I can maybe plant this up with, just a temporary crop of sort of zinnias or something like that for now. I don't know, or maybe just put my snapdragons in here or something. We'll see. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then I'm going to paint later, believe it or not, but this is what I'm going to do if I can stand the heat.